Do you fancy decorating your home on a budget without compromising on style or comfort? Today we'll explore some nifty tips that will transform your living space without draining your pocket. First things first, let's talk about clever furniture arrangements. It's not always about getting new stuff. Sometimes a new layout can make all the difference. Try moving your furniture around or even swapping pieces between rooms. You'd be amazed at how a simple reshuffle can breathe new life into your space, and best of all, it costs absolutely nothing. Next up, consider going on a treasure hunt in thrift stores, garage sales, or online marketplaces. You'd be surprised at the unique and affordable pieces you can find. And with a little bit of creativity, you can turn these second-hand finds into chic additions to your home. Now, how about breathing new life into things you already own? That's the magic of repurposing and upcycling. Transform a vintage crate into a bookshelf, an old ladder into a towel rack, or mason jars into candle holders. This approach not only saves money, but also gives your decor a personal and unique touch. Accessorizing is another way to add charm to your home without splurging. Check out discount stores or dollar shops for items like throw pillows, vases, candles, and decorative bowls. Mix and match these accessories to create a curated and stylish look. And don't forget about the power of online shopping. Many online marketplaces and discount websites offer unique decor items at prices much lower than traditional stores. It's a great way to find budget-friendly pieces from the comfort of your home. In conclusion, economical decorating is all about creativity and resourcefulness. It's about embracing the idea of repurposing, considering secondhand options, and not being afraid to roll up your sleeves for a DIY project. With these tips, you can create a beautiful, comfortable home without breaking the bank.